If we do not do dhan, if the Vasana Kamana had bad effect, bad Shaitan effect, extra, Holy Purush effect, that Maya effect, if the Rakshas effects on the body, then you said another Niskam Karma. Niskam. If you want to know about Niskam, you go to Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, you will understand about Niskam. Or if you go to Kolki Puran, you will understand about Niskam Karma. What is Niskam Karma? That is Niskam Karma is Kolki is only one. Ishwar is only one. When that will be Mahapralaya, Ishwar will be only one. And he thinks and creates all. Creates all. And creates for work. He gives your belly, পেট দিয়েছে. If you do not work, your পেট will be খালি. Then you go to work for fulfill your belly. If you do not work, you will be die, you will be ক্ষুধার্ত, you will be তৃষ্ণার্ত, extra. So, for live, it is your duty to do. When you do, when you take the cold water, tubewell water, you do not think that you take tubewell's water is of your. When you take the water to your colors and take it to your body, to your house, you think this is my water, this is my water. But if you think the utsa of this water, that is Ishwar's things. You do it for life. Ishwar prepared him. Ishwar give him for life. Prepared on him for this. That is Niskam. You do